Turn on the flashlight. See how much water is coming out?
This is my first time I've ever watched Spade. Okay.
And then you have to pull off the outside part, and then you can eat it.
Is it a little pumpkin?
It looks like it.
Can we punch it? They look like little kiwi seeds.
Is it good? I think so. These are what the flowers look like, Ivy. See? Aren't they pretty?
Mom!
Oh, let's see, where's me?
I got the wall of it.
You're doing great. So what are these, Ivy? What are these?
Mallow cheese.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Is reading important for your brain?
Is reading important? Yes. What? Let's see it.
See the black hole there. What's up?
Oh. Whoa. That is huge. Look at that guy. It is a huge spider. It's another fisher spider, isn't it? I guess it could be one. It's so spiky.